Wait, if the world keeps changing so fast, how is my brain supposed to keep up?
The world is changing faster than any generation before you, and artificial intelligence is part of that shift. Some people feel excited, and some feel overwhelmed. Some people feel excited, and some feel overwhelmed. That ability is called neuroplasticity, and it may be your greatest advantage in the AI age.
So, what does that actually mean?
Adaptability means your brain can learn new patterns when old ones no longer work. It means you are not stuck with one way of thinking, one skill, or one path. In a world shaped by AI tools and new technology, the most valuable skill is not memorizing facts, it is learning how to adjust. When your brain stays flexible, you can grow with change instead of fearing it.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, your brain physically rewires itself through a process called neuroplasticity. The prefrontal cortex helps you plan and shift strategies when something new appears. The hippocampus stores new information so your brain can build updated maps of the world. Dopamine circuits reward effort and curiosity, which strengthens new neural pathways. Over time, repeated small adjustments build stronger and more efficient brain networks.
How does this show up in real life?
At school, adaptability shows up when you try a new learning method instead of giving up. In friendships, it shows up when you listen and adjust instead of reacting quickly. In stressful situations, it shows up when you pause and choose a better response. In technology, it shows up when you learn how to use new tools instead of resisting them. Future jobs like AI engineer, doctor, designer, or entrepreneur will all require flexible thinking and continuous learning.
So, small equals big?
Yes, small adjustments act like tiny reps in a brain gym. Each time you try again, rethink a mistake, or learn a new skill, you strengthen neural circuits. Those circuits become habits, and habits become character. Character shapes how you respond to opportunity and challenge. Over years, those tiny flexible moments can shape your career path and your impact on the world.
So, how do I start?
First, choose a thinking step by asking yourself what this situation is teaching you. Second, choose a feeling step by noticing frustration and calming your breathing before reacting. Third, choose a behavior step by trying one small new action instead of repeating the old one. Practice this daily, and your brain will slowly build stronger flexibility circuits.
What should we do today?
Today, try one new method for something you usually do the same way. It could be studying, organizing, exercising, or solving a problem. Notice how your brain feels when you stretch into something unfamiliar. You are not defined by how fast the world changes, you are defined by how your brain responds. Every small flexible step strengthens your neural pathways. In the AI age, adaptable minds will not just survive, they will lead. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.